Good morning. Nomad life begins today. And we're probably going to go for a walk somewhere and get some breakfast. See how it goes. Today there's supposed to be a launch. Rocket launch. They're talking about it now. If we didn't have to be nomads and work, I'd probably have driven up to NASA about an hour away. But now let's see if they actually launch. They're still talking about maybe it won't happen. It's in jeopardy. I'll take yes for 200, Alex. I took a time lapse. I'll insert that right now. Right here. Yeah, we took a couple of days, my wife and I, and we started working from our hotel room, taking breaks at lunchtime, walking around the resort. It was lovely. And it started out really good, but ended up a storm. I don't know if you can see that big storm there. Kind of interrupted it. But I see Turtle Patrol out there. And they're combing the beach for new nests. Sometimes they'll look and see if there's any kind of tracks coming up the beach. And then they'll dig a hole, bury their eggs. And so the Turtle Patrol will go and make sure that they're protected so they have the best chance at living. The volunteers really are the stars here. They do it all the way up the coast, even to North Carolina. It's a quiet lobby down there from up here on the 4th floor. But I do want to point out they've upgraded the furniture here and also the carpet. You can go back and watch the old video, but I think there was different, more colorful carpet, more old school carpet, and it's been updated to like a fresh and clean and bright kind of muted tones. You can see down there. Let me go down this way. You can see over here they're you got like a bluish gray denim almost, and then gray chairs. Then here on this side you have some whites and blues and more white on this side, so good kind of textures in the carpet. And then the last time we were here they were actually fixing the mosaic compass, and it's not actually a compass, it's like kind of just a icon, but it's got north, south, east, west. But the turtle is back to its glory because there was a whole blockage on the floor blocking people from going on it because they were replacing certain tiles. But yeah, here's the updated look to the lobby. And then also, you can't really see it, I'll go down later and point it out, but the water, they have fruit water. There's orange, I think it's like orange, kiwi and grapefruit, signifying, because this is kind of the Indian River, there's a lot of oranges that are kind of harvested here. Citrus fruits is big in Florida, and especially in this area, so it's one of the themes. And then you can get yourself fresh water from there. We're on the 4th floor, so you have laundry vending and ice machines over there. And let's see, from here, from this angle, you have the green cabin room. That's right over there. In the morning they serve espresso, coffee, lattes, and light pastries. And then at nighttime you can get some small bites as well. They used to have music there. I asked about if they were still doing music, and they said no, it hasn't come back yet. So that's one of the things that used to make the green cabin room what it is, was you can go at nighttime and have a cocktail in the early evening, go get some dinner, and then return in the nighttime, and there's usually live music, but that hasn't really been a thing lately. So I hope they bring that back. Right where that lamp is, right there, they would seat a musician and they would play some tunes. I do think that people still play board games in there, so hopefully pretty soon we can play something and have a cocktail as well. And finally, from this angle, you have your check-in sign. I don't know if you could see it behind the light there, but let me come over here. You have the check-in desk there, and basically, general check-in. However, on this trip, this is new to us. They started using the magic bands, and so now you can get into your room with your magic band, which is great, because for the longest time they had to give you a room key, kind of like a room card, and that was what got you into the room. But now magic bands work here for charges and getting in and out of places. And I think that was one of the things that people really were looking forward to when the day that they brought that. So they now have that here. I found that my Magic Band Plus that I have doesn't work everywhere, and probably let the front desk know that, like, going in and out of the garages, it doesn't work. I have to use Amy's, and then going into that same style of, I guess, like going into certain areas, it doesn't work. So TBD on that. But yeah, this is our lobby for the week, and it's beautiful. It has that Grand Floridian Animal Kingdom Lodge, Wilderness Lodge kind of style, where it's just grand and huge and beautiful. This is the Wind and Waves Market. Let's go in. Hours are 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then 11 a.m. to 9:30, and their nightly specials, which we're going to check out, 5 to 9:30. Every night they come out with a new dinner special. Tonight is meatloaf, teriyaki glazed salmon, and beef stroganoff. They also have some sides as well, but they change it up. Sometimes they have pot roast, sometimes they have whole chicken. It keeps the menu fresh, and so you're not eating the same thing. They also have sandwiches, salads, wraps, things like that, and good variety and fresh. You can customize your salad and choose the type of greens you want and all your toppings. There's eggs, olives, chickpeas, sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, different types of cheeses. We have a bunch of different containers around where you can get vegetables and fruits and things like that. They also have another case that has sodas and beer, wine, juice, drinks for kids, and then they have some sweet treats here. These are just too delectable. We had the s'mores cupcake, and it was amazing. Okay, got some lunch from the Wind and Waves. I got the chicken pita. It's got lettuce, tomato, I think ranch dressing, and then it comes with a side of fries. Got some ketchups and mayo and stuff. Took me 30 minutes to get my food, and people were getting upset. So I'm going to eat this now, and then get back to work. The newest thing here is water for sharing in the lobby. This was a nice offering just off the right when you walk in. The Island Grove
packing company is the shop for the resort. So this is where you'll find all of your clothing, towels, souvenirs, you name it. They even have umbrellas. Got some Disney Vacation Club items, Vero Beach branded, hats, shirts, things like that. Really, really nice things that you can take home with you. They even have lounge flies. Look at that. Some Disney Vacation Club Spirit jerseys, some Disney Vacation Club shirts, button downs, things like that. There's another lounge fly. Little hoodie. I also really like this cup, but since we have so many of them, I decided not to buy it. They also have a section for children, so they got some toys, some dolls, some stuffed plush characters, and a whole lot of pins. There's also a lot of beachwear. In case you forget something, you can get a sun shirt, some H2O products, sunscreen.
Okay. Awesome. Careful. Oh, look, you have the monorail right here. You see it? You saw the monorail right there? Have a fun day. Bye.
This was a poison apple candle, and smelled pretty good. The strength wasn't really there. I always like the housewares that Disney puts out. I mean, it's just very tasteful. Really beautiful pieces. And then they had a bunch of games themed. You know, you had Life and Perfection, Clue, you know, Disney themed, of course.
Many hours later.
Good morning. This is officially the first day of vacation. And today I'm going to go and get Ellie. And we're probably going to go for a walk somewhere and get some breakfast. But look at this sunrise. Wow. Look at those sun rays. Look at these rays. Are absolutely unbelievable.
There's something about waking up on the coast in the morning and looking at the sun rising from the horizon. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like you wake up together. And if you notice here in a minute, you're going to see pretty much everybody's just walking down the beach at sunrise and taking pictures and just taking in the morning. Look at that color spread. It's just fantastic. You have pinks and blues and yellows and reds. Man, just beautiful. If you get a chance to peel yourself away from Walt Disney World, this is the resort. Just kidding. It's horrible. Don't go there. We don't want the secret to get out.
Hey, as I said earlier, it's the first day of actual vacation. Amy and I have been working earlier this week, and today we have some time, so I'm going to pick up Ellie over at the Village Pet Inn here in Vero Beach, and we are going to check out some walking trails. So looking forward to that. But this is Coastal Highway 1. I don't know if they consider that A1A, Beachfront Avenue. And I've got to go straight down here, down to Vero Beach, and then a couple blocks, and I'll be at the Village Pet Inn. So see you when we get Ellie.